Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. I'm going to show you how you can apply the law of attraction so that you can manifest your dream life quickly. Stay tuned for the 3 major things that people get wrong when manifesting and how you can avoid them. By now, I'm sure you've heard of the law of attraction. If not, here's my definition of it. The law of attraction is a way for anybody, no matter who they are, to attract anything they desire into their lives. No matter how far-fetched it may seem, or how far you may feel from that specific goal. You're actually using the law of attraction right now. You see, our reality around us is the 3D world that is created by our thoughts. What we think, we create. You may have been looking for a way to make a change in your life, manifest money, relationship, or goals. These thoughts led you to take action. That action led you right here to this video. Much of the world is manifesting on autopilot, not taking the time to truly visualize what they desire. And I'm going to show you how to break that cycle. In fact, let's do a test. In the comments right now, name an animal that you want to see more of in the next 72 hours. Let's say it's a butterfly. If written out and properly let go, chances are within the next day or 2 you'll begin to see more butterflies appear in your life. Whether physical butterflies, drawn butterflies, or even a song lyric mentioning butterflies. Try it. Now, let's explore exactly how the law of attraction works. We see results when we align our inner vibrational state with the vibrational state of what we desire to manifest. Think of it like this. Because the universe operates on vibration and we ourselves are vibrational beings, we can choose to align our vibration to a higher state. When you choose to believe that something is most likely to happen, the chance of it happening actually grows larger. And the great thing is, this is a skill like any other that you can learn and apply to your life and see the effects almost instantly. You have a good understanding now of how the law of attraction works. Let's start applying it to manifest your dreams. Have you noticed that you're more productive when you have a goal in mind? Our dreams are the same. To have that goal, we need to connect with what we truly desire and then decide to achieve it. Sit down and write out your dreams. Write them down physically in a notebook and in great detail exactly what you want. Don't hold yourself back here, and put anything you desire to manifest on this list. Once you know what you want and you've got it written down, the next step is to let it go. Letting go truly means letting go of all needs, wants, desires, expectations, negativity, doubt, fear, impatience, or any other form of resistance. You need to remove yourself from the equation as much as possible. The more you can do this, the faster and more easily your manifestations will begin to appear. Want to master the process? Here are 3 tips to manifest quickly. Tip 1 for manifesting things quickly is to start small. Implementing the law of attraction takes practice, so let's warm up your manifesting muscle. Remember that animal example from earlier? That's a great way to get started. If done properly, I'm sure you'll find the universe brings more of that animal to you in some way, shape or form. Tip 2 is writing things down. Don't underestimate the power of writing down your dreams. I suggest keeping them in a place where you confront them daily. This leads me to tip number 3. Take action. When we're confronted with our dreams, we're inspired to take purposeful action towards them. If it's so simple, then why isn't everyone manifesting their dream life? Do you remember earlier when I said that a lot of the world is operating on autopilot? So many of us are in survival mode and don't get clear on what it is that we truly desire. Then we end up creating a reality that we're not excited about. But I can tell that you're wanting to make a change and move from autopilot to manifestation mode. You are already taking action by watching this video. While the law of attraction is pretty straightforward, there are some things that people get wrong. Number 1, rushing. You cannot rush the universe as the timing is always perfect. Take yourself out of the equation and truly let go of your ego. Trust the process. Number 2, negative thinking. Release negative thoughts. We are human. Negative thoughts are natural and are part of the process. But instead of confronting them with force, acknowledge them and let them dissipate. Keep your vibrations high. Number 3, working too hard. Many of us need to release the belief that the more we want, the harder we work. It doesn't take extraordinary action to manifest your dream life. Get very, very clear on your vision and let the universe do the heavy lifting for you. Everything in the universe operates on balance, and if you push yourself too hard, you begin to throw off that balance, may end up breaking down, and need much more time to heal yourself back to a neutral or positive state. Know that abundance is your birthright. You have everything within you to manifest your dream life. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.